In the ancient land of India, the pursuit of knowledge was not limited by gender. Long before universities and printed books, the Vedic sages sought truth through dialogue, reflection, and revelation. Among them stood remarkable women, thinkers, poets, and philosophers, whose voices shaped the foundations of Indian wisdom. This is the story of Gargi, Maitri, and Lopamudra, three women who dared to ask, to reason, and to seek the eternal. Gargi Vachaknavi, the philosopher who questioned the universe. 7 centuries before the time of Buddha, a gathering was held in the court of King Janaka of Vidha. Sages from across the land assembled to debate the mysteries of the universe. Among them rose a woman, Gargi Vachaknavi, a daughter of sage Vachaknav. In a hall filled with men, Gargi questioned the revered philosopher Yajnavalkya. Her words, preserved in the Upanishad, still echo through time. O Yajnavalkya, that which is above the heavens and below the earth, that which is thread through all, tell me what is the Brahman which pervades the universe. Through fearless inquiry, Gargi became the symbol of intellect unbound, a woman who saw no barrier between her mind and the cosmos. She showed that true wisdom is born from courage to question. Maitri, the seeker of immortality. If Gargi was the voice of reason, Maitri was the voice of inner wisdom. Known as the wife and intellectual companion of Yajnavalkya, she appears in the Upanishad not as a silent listener but as a philosopher in her own right. When Yajnavalkya decided to renounce his worldly life, he offered his property to his two wives, Maitri and Katyayani. Maitri asked a question that echoes through time: can wealth give me immortality? Yajnavalkya replied, no. Wealth can only make one's life comfortable, not immortal. Maitri then chose knowledge over riches. She sought to understand the self, the immortal essence beyond the body. In her pursuit, Maitri represents the eternal quest for truth over material gain. Lopamudra, the poet and philosopher. In the Rig Veda, we find another luminous voice, that of Lopamudra, the wife of sage Agastya. She was both poet and philosopher, composer of hymns that unite devotion, love, and insight. Her verses reveal a balance between the worldly and the spiritual, between desire and discipline. Through her poetry, Lopamudra taught that womanhood and wisdom are not opposites, but reflections of the same truth, the creative energy of life itself. She stands as one of the earliest women poets of humanity, whose words still sing with clarity across millennia. Reflection and legacy. Gargi, Maitri, and Lopamudra, three seekers who dared to think, to question, to compose. Their ideas shaped the moral and philosophical foundations of Indian civilization. They remind us that education in ancient India was never the privilege of one gender, but the shared duty of all who sought truth. Even today, as women scholars, scientists, and spiritual teachers continue to illuminate the world, the spirit of these ancient thinkers lives on. For knowledge is not bound by time nor by form, it flows like the eternal river of consciousness. In honoring these women, we rediscover the forgotten harmony between intellect and intuition, between the sage and the seeker. They were not exceptions, they were the essence of a culture that once saw learning as sacred and the pursuit of truth as everyone's birthright.